So in this video, I'm going to show you how we've made our Pinterest money making machine even better with fully automated text overlays. Such a simple improvement can 10x your conversions. And before we dive in, if you're loving AI and AI automations and you love making money online, just like I do, please like and subscribe to this video. It really motivates me to keep sharing these automations with you. In our previous video, I showed you how to automate Pinterest posts. What's exciting about this upgrade is that it still combines AI content creation with high traffic potential from Pinterest, but it adds eye-catching text. Here's the game changer. It's 100% automated using Google Slides. Therefore, no manual work is needed. Unlike Canva's bulk creation function, which, still needs loads of manual input, and our automation runs completely hands-free. So it's 100% automated. Just set it and forget it. If you want to get your hands on this upgraded version, like this video, but also comment Pinterest 2.0 down below, and we'll send you the link over to our community within 15 minutes. Our community consists of many automations, not done for you, but done with you. We show you step by step all kinds of automations and how to implement them, how to get them working, and how to make money with them. So the foundation remains the same. So it's still in Airtable, but we've just added a couple of powerful features. So let me just take you through it. This is our Airtable. Last week we were able to put in a keyword. So I'm going to put in minimum interior design inspiration. And then what I could do, I could click on our affiliate link or any kind of link that you want to add. The link here. I could say backlink to our website, and then I could say create a pin. But now what we've added is the ability to be able to put in your own custom text. So I'm just going to put in some custom text here. I'm going to put 3 exclamation marks at the end. So get our minimum interior design inspiration right here. This is another thing that we've added. We've added in the ability to say how many links do we want. I'm going to say I'd like to have one link made, and I'm going to say one pin made. So I'm going to say create pins, and in the background actually our automation is running. I do have them open. You don't even have to have these open. You could just work 100% from or your client could. So I'm going to show you now as it's being populated or as it's being made in the background, and you can see that in a minute when there's 2 little icons that appear here. I'm going to show you what it used to look like last week. Last week, all we were doing is making a cool image that you could post into your Pinterest. But the best part of this is if I were to look in Pinterest, I would see a lot of pins that have, hey, that this one's got a brand on it, or this one's got a brand on it. And a lot of them here have text over the top. So you could generate, here, look at this one. This is an ad. I'm in Holland, I'm in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. So this is what posts look like here. Dutch posts, Black Friday deal. I could make pins like that easily. Here's one for Christmas with a cupcake on it. I could make stuff like that on autopilot. Let me just show you how we've done that. Oh no, sorry. I was going to show you what we've created, and our basic version, let me just show, get our minimum interior design inspiration right here. It's got our brand on it, and it has the text in the middle, and it's got an AI generated image on the background. So how did I make that? I didn't use Canva. I really love Canva, but Canva just has a lot of issues that it doesn't work with Make. So I can't design something, tell a field you need to do this and this and this, but you can do that in slides. So this is how we've created it. We've split it up into 3 parts. So I've got my brand here, so I could put my brand at the top if I wanted it there. I could have I have got an image on the background which I just mapped to my Make account or my Make automation, and then I've got my quote, so that in this case it's get our minimum interior design inspiration right here. That would be mapped over the top. That's how we've done it now. So that's 3 layers that we just have over the top. And if you wanted to have a pin that would look like the one I just showed you, so say it would look like that or it would look like that, just design it in here. Let me just go back to our automation. So in the meantime, you can see that it's created 2 pins. I know I said 1 here, but if I just quickly grab our automation, you can see 1 One run goes down the Leonardo way, and it also goes down the ChatGPT way. So what it's doing, this is one pin. I've put in the option so that, there's a lot of people out there that just want to have a ChatGPT or a DALL-E 3 automation. If I don't want to use that, I could disable route, and then it would go down the Leonardo route. I like Leonardo, but I just want to give people the option. So just disable the route that you don't want to be using. By the way, if you like this content or you've seen value in what I've been creating here, please like and subscribe, because it really motivates me to make more videos like this. If I were to go back to our Airtable right now, I'm going to go up here. I can see that it's created 2 pins. So if I go to the long tail keyword one, there's the new pins. Get some minimum interior design inspiration right here. And this is made in Leonardo, and this one is made in DALL-E. It's up to you which one you like better. Say I'd like to have this one. I'm just gonna approve it. So if I were to go back to my Pinterest account right now, this our demo account, I can see there's the one that I've just approved. There's the pin I've just approved. And I know it all looks the same. That's because I'm only using one prompt and one text overlay. Okay, so let's just have a look at someone else's quote. Just as an example, I'm not plagiarizing. I just want to show you how you can do this. Here's one. 5 minimalist design tips that aren't boring. I'm just going to put in the keyword interior design. So I know, so the image knows what it needs to make. Oh, let me just say interior design in blue colors. And then the custom text is going to be 5 minimalist design tips that aren't boring. And then I'm going to put in another backlink and let it go to our make account. Number of links or images that I wanted to make, pins that I wanted to make. I wanted to have 2, so that will be 4. Remember, it goes off to Leonardo and it goes off to DALL-E 3. That's what it's doing in this case. So that's how I could quickly make a pin on an inspirational post that I found. Look, if you're into Pinterest and posting pins on Pinterest, do some SEO research on the pins that you want to be making. Then put them in here, run them through a ChatGPT, so you've got your cool text. Come up with a cool couple of keywords, put them all in here, and then let it run an autopilot. So let me just move it all back to how it was. That's how I like to have it. So my next pin will look like this. Let me have a look at the result. Here we go. There's a blue there's the blue design, the minimalist design that we were looking for. 5 minimalist design tips that aren't boring. So a blue background. It's got our brand on it. That's cool. It's made a description, and it's also I've just posted. And I can also approve it. Apparently I just approved it. Let me have a look at this one. This is, there's DALL-E 3. This is what happens. Sometimes, especially with DALL-E 3, it just creates gibberish, especially when it has to spell stuff. So I'm not going to approve this. I don't like it. And this is the whole reason that we're trying to be able to put our own text over our images. This way we know it's going to be our own design. It's going to be spelt right, and it's going to be in the branding and in the style that we want. Okay, so I'm not going to approve that one. Then let's have another look at this one. 5 minimalist design tips that aren't boring. And then 5 minimalist design tips that aren't boring. This is DALL-E 3. Looks quite cool. So I'm going to approve both of them. Let me just have a look. I'm going to say approve. And now in the background, our automation B, and that's this one. I didn't touch anything. It's running as we speak. So it will be posting for us. Let me refresh this page. There's all our same pin, same principle. So before I take you through the whole automation and how I built this within make.com, please like and subscribe, because it really motivates me to make videos like this. And for next week's video, we're going to make step 3 to this Pinterest build. And that's the last one of this series. Is we're going to show you how you can turn this whole automation into a SaaS business. So how you can really start making money online, so that people could actually go to a website, pay a certain amount, and then get 10 pins. That's what we're going to be showing you how to build that. So let me take you through my build. So if I look at the automation that I need, I have step A and step B. So the first one is to create a pin and the second one is to post a pin. Here is the automation itself. So we're grabbing fields from our Airtable, we're throwing them into ChatGPT. Your sophisticated long-tail SEO keyword expander. Your task is to generate a long-tail keyword search terms related to a given topic. So it will make, based on our initial keyword we put in here, it's going to make, got a lot of tabs open, sorry about that. It's going to generate a lot of cool keywords for it. And after that, it's going to split up all the keywords and then it's going to iterate it. So it's going to put it back together and it's going to, based on that keyword, and then it's going to come up with a description. And then it's going to prompt Leonardo here. You could do the same for ChatGPT if you wish. And this is the part that we've added in here. So we're creating a text slide. So remember what I showed you earlier on. This is our text slide. We're connecting our pin, so this pin, onto our make.com. So what I've said is that we're grabbing a certain slide and then we're doing the text overlay there. So we're saying custom text. And then in this one, we're just adding the image in the background. And then we're sending it off to Airtable. So this is just the first part. After I've approved it, so that would be in step B. You remember all the little check marks I did here? Then as soon as I do that, step B gets triggered. So it'll grab all the information from your Airtable and then it will actually start posting it into Pinterest. And by the way, if you want to get hold of this automation, just like this video and comment the word Pinterest 2.0 down below. So like and then comment Pinterest 2.0 down below. So that's it for this build. Stay tuned for more and remember, make it no code and I'll see you on the next one.